These beautiful mums are easy to make out of tissue paper, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need light, medium, and dark tissue paper, scissors, circular items to trace around starting at about 1.5 to 2 inches and getting bigger by about 1/2 inch in diameter, a green pipe cleaner, and a pencil. Begin by using the lightest color of tissue paper and the largest circle. Trace around the circle on the tissue. You're going to be making 5 of each, so you can layer 5 at a time. Cut out the circles. Next, trace around the middle 2 size of circles on your medium colored tissue paper. Again, you want 5 of each. Cut out the circles. And last, make 5 of the smallest size circle in the darkest color of tissue. So to recap, you should have 5 each of the different size circles of tissue paper. To cut the petal shape, start with 3 layers of the largest size circle. Make sure they're even and then fold them in half. Fold them in half once again. Fold it in half again. And one more time for a total of 4 folds. Cut a slit down the middle of the petal, starting from the open edge and cutting down about halfway. Then round off each edge to make a petal shape. Open up the fold one time and then cut down in between where the petals are still connected to the same point where you made your first cut. Continue to unfold and cut in this manner until all the petals are separated. Do the same thing with the other 2 petals. Repeat the whole process with the next largest size of tissue circles. With the 2 smaller size circles, you're going to do the same thing, but only fold your circles in half 3 times because they're much smaller. Once all of your petals are ready, it's time to assemble the flower. Coil down the very end of a green pipe cleaner just 2 or 3 times very tightly, and then fold it forward like so. Now take each petal one at a time, starting with the smallest size, poke a hole through it, crunch it up towards the stem a little bit, and then slide it carefully along the pipe cleaner until you get to the top. Repeat this process with every petal from smallest to largest. When all of the petals are on, fold in the very middle petals to cover the green coil, and then fold the edges of the very outside petals down just a little bit. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you new craft videos every week.